Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So, for today's video, we are going to Alibaba or to the Alibaba application. So, for this video, we're going to show you how you will not get scammed by the suppliers in Alibaba. So, very quickly, what you want to do whenever you are checking out in Alibaba is to make sure that they have this, the verified icon right here. Mainly because if we look at their webpage, this symbolizes that their supplies have already been inspected. And at the same time, they have verified videos available and it has a detailed and free inspection report downloads, and they are professionals or experienced suppliers in the industry. So there are actually different types of verified suppliers in Alibaba. So these are what their tags symbolizes. So if they are a verified supplier, this means that they have all of these already. So R&D, research and development, um, export market and market distribution, overseas after sales service, they have it all. Meaning these companies have already undergone Alibaba's verification process and are therefore provided with the taggings. So here, for example, we have uh, this one right here. They are selling these custom sweater pullovers for 10 bucks, 10 to $16. Minimum of 2 orders. As you can see here, the years right here, it indicates how many years they have been verified on the application. So as you can see here, they've been verified already for 3 years. And let's check it out. So this is okay. So first, of course, check the place of origin. Though most Alibaba items came from China, you can check out the other details here as well. Packaging and delivery right here. And of course, they also have their certifications right here. So always check this one out as well. If they provided certifications, then most likely it means they are a legitimate company. And then here, of course, like with similar with Amazon, you can check some reviews to make sure that people have already bought from this seller, and that it already gives an impression or a safety measure that this is safe to order. So as you can see here, a lot of people have ordered it already from Australia, from the UK, and there are more comments here. As much as possible, whenever you're looking for a comment, make sure to look at reviews that has a picture on it. That way, you can make sure that this isn't that these app accounts are legit as well. So as you can see here, most of the reviews have pictures on them. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.